Toyota's reverse-linked auto-tilting mirrors are an innovative safety feature that automatically adjusts your side mirrors when backing up. This technology enhances visibility by tilting the mirrors downward when you shift into reverse gear. The system works by detecting when your vehicle is shifted into reverse gear. Once activated, the side mirrors automatically tilt downward to provide better visibility of the ground, curbs, and obstacles near your vehicle. This feature is now standard or available across most Toyota model lines for 2024 and 2025. You'll find it on popular models like the Camry, RAV4, Highlander, and Prius, as well as throughout the Lexus lineup. The mirrors tilt at different angles for optimal visibility. The driver's side mirror tilts moderately at 5 to 10 degrees, while the passenger side mirror tilts more dramatically at 15 to 20 degrees, providing better visibility of the curb and obstacles on that side. The system relies on 4 key components working together. Mirror motors provide precise vertical adjustment, position sensors track current angles, ECU integration connects to your transmission, and a memory module stores your personal preferences. Recent updates have significantly improved the system. Response time is now just half a second to 1 second. The motors are designed for over 100,000 adjustment cycles, and enhanced weather resistance ensures reliable operation in all conditions. The mirrors automatically return to their original position when you shift out of reverse gear or when your vehicle speed exceeds 6 to 8 miles per hour, ensuring normal driving visibility is restored. There are 3 ways to enable Toyota's auto-tilting mirror feature. The first method uses the mirror adjustment switch on your door panel. Locate the mirror adjustment switch and move it to the L position for left mirror, R position for right mirror, or auto position if your model has this option. The second method uses your vehicle's infotainment system. Navigate to the Settings menu to find the mirror options. Go to Settings, then Vehicle, then Mirrors. Look for Reverse Tilt or Auto Mirror Tilt option and enable it. To customize how much your mirrors tilt, you need to set your preferred angle. This process is simple, and the system will remember your settings. First, park on level ground and shift into reverse. Then use your mirror controls to adjust each mirror to your desired downward angle. The system automatically saves this position. If your Toyota has memory seats, the mirror tilt settings are stored with each seat position. This means different drivers can have their own preferred mirror angles. Newer Toyota models offer advanced customization options. You can choose which mirrors activate and adjust the sensitivity of the tilt angle. This feature enhances visibility for various parking situations. Whether you're parallel parking, backing into a driveway, or hitching a trailer, the tilted mirrors provide better ground visibility.